All right, guys, I know this is completely different, but what I want to do is cover some of the decals that we have made up for you guys already. I think we're at a point to where we can handle this for you guys. Got a couple pictures I'm going to cycle through on the screen to show you maybe some other designs that we can possibly do. And I also got some decals behind you. Now, I'm going to make this video as short as possible. Just want to let you guys know that we do have decals available now, and I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of how to install these decals. So we have the Calypso, we have the blue, silver, black, yellow, and red. We also have the white decals. Now these are the 4-inch decals, and these are the 6-inch decals. The 4-inch are going to run you $4, and the 6-inch are going to run you $6. So yes, guys, everything's made right here in house. We got rid of our big plotter printer thing that we had, and the wife is actually just making them on her Silhouette. I'm sure a lot of you, your wives or somebody, has a Silhouette or a Cricut. They're very slow, but they get the job done. So just be aware of that. You know, I don't expect to be completely overwhelmed with orders, and I'm not asking you guys to order anything that you don't want. In your address bar, don't search it on Google, but in your address bar, enter this right here, which is www.shopbrutal.com. Enter that in your address bar, and that'll take you to the website. On the website, just scroll down to the bottom, click shop, pick whatever it is that you want. So right here this is our traditional, like probably the first logo that I made for the channel, which just says Brutal Vlogs. A lot of you are going to ask, well, why does it say Brutal Vlogs and the name of the channel isn't? Well, originally that was going to be the name of the channel, and we just kind of left it. We may make this logo available also. All right, so next what we're going to do is skip to the install process on one of these decals, because around the fox head is very thin. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. First off, you want to get whatever you're working on clean, and you can use, you know, whatever, Windex, a little bit of water, whatever the case may be. Just make sure that whatever you're going to install it on is clean or clean enough. That should work for us. And this is a smaller one, so I wanted to show you guys this one first, simply because this is going to be the hardest to install. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So it's simple, just like any other decal. Now you're going to have to be careful on some of this. Make sure that your vinyl sticks to the transfer paper like that. So make sure that that happens first, and then obviously just center it up ever how you want to. Now with these being so small, you don't really have to worry about air bubbles. So literally just kind of come in there like this with your finger and hit these areas. Now this is what I recommend you guys do. Start down here first from this end. And the trick to installing vinyl is pulling down, not out. So you want to roll the vinyl down like this. Now this transfer paper that we use is really sticky, guys, so be mindful of that. When you get over here to the ear, you're going to have to really be careful. So you're going to have to kind of work that down. It will come off, I promise. Just take your time with this, because these lines are very small, very thin. And just roll it back. Just like that. And then just come in, make sure everything's good. So there again, guys, these are a little tricky to install around the edges, but that's what we got to do to make our logo work. I know somebody's going to mess it up. I mean, I get it, we're human, and that transfer paper is very sticky. So you're going to see a piece of cardboard in the envelope that we ship in, and what that is designed to do is make the envelope more rigid, so that this doesn't bend up. These are actually ready to ship out, so I'm not going to show the other side. And that way the decal doesn't get bent up. All right, so as of right now, we're just going to ship on, I think Mondays and Thursdays is what we're going to do. So, you know, we don't have orders flooding in, guys. So we're going to get an order together. I'm going to ship those orders out on Monday and Thursday. Also, check out teespring.com. I have hats. I have Brutal hats. I'll throw up a picture right here for you guys so you see what it looks like. I'll show you some of the shirts and things that we offer. Anyway, if you want some shirts, if you want some hats, go to teespring.com. If you want decals, go to shopbrutal.com. Also, just kind of check in periodically, because we will be adding more logos, more designs, stuff like that for the decals. I do appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. And as always, thanks for watching.